Overview. Brainwriting is a way to stimulate new ideas by sharing thoughts in a linear fashion. Process. The process follows these steps. First, a problem is identified and shared. Second, each participant generates 3 possible solutions to the problem in question. Third, each participant sends his solutions to another participant. Fourth, the recipient writes 3 additional ideas based on those already written solutions. Fifth, he or she sends the list to another participant. The process is repeated until each recipient has received their original ideas. Tips for a remote team. Prefer the use of email. The text should be inserted at the beginning of each email. The sender should be the last to write the final list, and emails can be completed before the virtual meeting. In this case, during the meeting, the final lists are shared.